So it is a beautiful day here in Australia, and I've been getting some work done. I have been working on this cool little lid for my maker's box. Now, basically I'm going to just put whatever in it, but you know, you can put anything you like in it as well. I'm probably going to put some just small little tidbits. Like I've got a bunch of sewing machine needles that I ordered because obviously people seen the GoPro rig, and I had to actually sew that, and I actually enjoyed making something a little bit different, and I've used it. I've actually used it 2 or 3 times since then to get some really cool POV shots where you can see both my hands. But yeah, I've been working on this maybe for the last 45 minutes, maybe a little bit less. I just sliced a piece of timber with the table saw, and I had probably this small section done yesterday, but I just finished off the whole section. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to glue on 4 more pieces on the top bit, so it actually just raises this up, and this actually here will be glued to that, so it gives maybe another, you know, inch or so to the top of the box. I was thinking about actually putting another lid on top of this lid, so this opens up here and then that actually opens up as well, but I don't know. But yeah, that's the crazy lid for the box. Hope everyone checks it out and likes the idea.